In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change domain names on Wix. To get started, log into your Wix account and open your dashboard. From there, select the website you want to update. This is important if you manage more than one site, because you want to make sure you're changing the domain for the correct one before moving forward. Once you're inside the right site dashboard, look over to the left-hand menu and click Settings. In the Settings area, select Domains. This is where Wix lets you view the domain currently connected to your site and manage any domain-related changes. Next, locate your current domain and click Manage. At this point, the path you take depends on where your new domain is registered. If you already own the new domain through Wix, click Assign Domain, then choose the new domain you want to connect to your site. This is the simplest option because everything is already inside the Wix system, which usually makes the setup quicker and easier. If your new domain is registered with another provider, click Connect a domain you already own. Wix will then guide you through the connection process. You may be asked to connect the domain using name servers or DNS records. Just follow the on-screen instructions carefully because this is what tells your domain where your Wix website is hosted. After the new domain is connected, you'll want to make it your primary domain. To do that, go back to the domain section. Find the new domain in the list, click the three-dot menu next to it, and select Set as Primary. This step matters because your primary domain is the main web address visitors will see and use to access your site. Once that's done, save your changes. Then give the connection some time to propagate. In some cases, the update happens pretty quickly, but it can take up to 48 hours for the new domain to fully point to your Wix website across the internet. During that time, it's normal for the domain to work intermittently or not update right away. Finally, open your new domain in a browser and confirm that your Wix website loads correctly. If the site appears as expected, then the domain change was successful. If it doesn't load yet, wait a little longer and check again, especially if you recently updated name servers or DNS settings, and that's how to change domain names on Wix.